Bakwa Babim Emfa Embra Bedwam Jumadi so on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280, Gov't TV channel 119. Multi TV Digibox no so called live and so on. So as we streaming on Facebook, search for Adom TV. And now bet me search for Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra. Ja comments no ho. Ye bejini can repem ede amount. And obi over Facebook we are bold here can comment. Ninyina kama ede amount. Yema no nya short, precise to the point. Ye intime kan it means what kind afro and so dear. Yenye se bi kasentwi atenie ensem a ensem fata ne obi ka kire wa enya wode yenyi mfamfiri commenting. Yen kan ya adwen se ne simi etiem. If I say come Spanish garlic mixture and capsules. Do it after na badwa so ebo atu yade hudo nyina asede free ni padwem. Am say ade ba kwa ya adu etu edi wonduma yepa ayo bia ona ase atata bi nka obi a wonyima ana ase atata yo. Wona ase atata bema na say wonyim to na ase tata ya ha okese pa. E man de sha say tata yo other for de nyima bitimi akwache so oh e bia wa fa fro ntina but bema de wona se tata na se yasem kese pa ya de kese pa na ebam uhie do betimi aboa nane sa haw no nyina e de fro dem e de ama obi so adwo so intentem diabetes so the house ampacho wadu pa edim sa so na why kese amana broso wako hospital doctor kato se o cholesterol enye kura ba bia ne nam no ene nam above atra roofing sheet ne kura besto da unya Spanish garlic mixture and capsules. I tried to so any pass wa home so insurance so ye mo amoda mo hwa akro ton to bia free mu fie na aka mo kwa still mo nkro mo kra sa nyane mo akasa mu unya Spanish garlic mixture and capsules or the Spanish ginkgo capsules so apa and then waba moja etime de frusa ni padua ma kwa ba bia enkanka ya adwemu so maka to say moja ntimi anko ni pa wa adwemu a how ni sinto kese pa e wo hodom so na ye anti age na duro anti age ni say wo nyini umfie kwen but still ye be bia why fresh kama krokrowa with with wunyini de edu papa no pebito ewo hallows herba or kanshi drug lane tenater herba repart herba widama herba wo ashaman equis pharmacy house of drugs jukad pharmacy el kanso dependable herba ewo medina sasuna nolinko herba ewo hokoi in the Volta region Abet some pharmacy ewo ho in the Volta region. And for my baby bia ye ton adobiano okwansa ebeka Spanish garlic mixture and capsules. And afre Spanish ginkgo capsules edrebi ato. And for afre 0266 114111 0266 114111 Pebito na emwa ensa ya de nyina emfa emma for at Dr. Frank Bano, a member of the MPP National Communications, also development economist and head of research at the Madankwa Institute. Onyame duye ye twen. Ba sem no ka say, owura agbesi echu. Mso tenen kan che. Pa. Say sabbatical leave, say hibernation. Say a senior communication team member of the National Democratic Congress, Amayoko, and so Abetrasia, Yabetri Enkumo. But on the brighter side of life, happy birthday and confirmer, Dr. Eric Nyako. Dr. Ene your bed the way free. One can say Unyaba get home, so wish you all the best. Say Nyame Enshrow. Na onyo kese. Kopemse obeye kese pa. Then also happy birthday and confirmer. NDC mra she wedwane mu ade she wo twifo atimokwa constituency honorable Vondi ene your birthday. You wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Yankopo won shiraw na onyo kese kopemse obeye kese pa. E di lata pato se mama sa mo wo video ne biem. We video Samsi Asaki video na ready ampacho. Sa from the entities wo kan ye about tag ni ye. Na remember agwesi chu uzo nso ko tema porter Professor John Evans Atamis Apeso uko wono mdi tintima ye pa wo ye porter odua na agbesi ne chu e ka we ti bacho say asaki video na ready and sentie asaki bi mo the tagging of containers at Tema port ye ba say
right so I know correct say on the Ghana Revenue Authority I feel they are doing everything possible to get their target. And so it seems the top hierarchy sitting at the headquarters there have lost trust with maybe the officials on the ground. Why am I saying that? They think that because the officer has been here for long working with agents and importers, perhaps sometimes they are also helping the importer to evade taxes. And so Commissioner General and Commissioner of Customs, they have their own task force. And that is what we call the tagging. And what it means is that we used not to tag every container. But right now, if you go to Sewoko MPSCR, every container be a tagging. And I think that is the reasons that you've heard that there's tagging, so baby Fred, we call tagging at the porter. Everybody is raising issues. What I know initially when we began with the icons, so your tag container means the container, and mind you, every container that comes to MPS have gone through scanning. And so maybe if the images, it is right, they don't understand what is there, they will especially tag it. Then when they say they tag your container, mostly it's not once, maybe out of 10 containers, maybe 1 or 2 containers. Then at the time they will do the examination, they will bring narcotics, they will bring BNIs, they will bring custom, they will even bring the CIDs, okay, the police CIDs there. Then they will bring maybe GPH authorities and maybe MPS authorities and the custom themselves. So they will all open the container at a go for them to see what they think that the scanners could not give, the images could not give them clear picture. Do you understand? Then if there's nothing, then they allow you to go. So the tagging at that time was not really for revenue purposes, okay? But the tagging that we are seeing now is about revenue purposes. So you ask yourself, you have gone through all the routine.
It is something Asaki, Executive Secretary of the Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana. I was about there.
Yeah. Yeah, when the
okay.
It's your home.
A financial.
It's a Ghana here. They come back, but Isha. And quite you.
And I'm going to be in.
Yes, you see, when they took over 2017, that there was no way NPP government, 30 years they can deliver. You see, they are very good at talking smoothly and sweetly. Or bet that's the CIGUF from NPP ni Bema. So when things start to go wrong, you know, you got 2 baby a dream. And that is where we are today. But it is time, say ye bimuno, ye be samba back. With what we knew in the past, the ACC no, ye never catch a Ghana for. Enti me shawo minya. Twin koso.
Bibi ankoso.
Bibi ankoso.
Basi ne mai kakrama.
Mami. It is not about me.
Okay, but you.
It's about ye. And me. It's a man who can be a major.
Okay.
It's not about me. It's about you and I. Oh man, I say. You see, mommy come and make sure.
I so man, I say.
And yet a number of our faith would be soon Ghana mine. They be. Do you understand me?
Okay.
It is the quality of leadership. What do you say?
Okay.
Intina ye born pa say all being equal. Come this year, December election, Ghana for ebe to ama John Dramani Mahama, the visionary leader, obia why be pain. I be afu. He came as president in 4 years. Meaning you crazy. Can you man we Ghana? Let's go sector by sector if you have the time in future. Education, agriculture, talk about health, talk about transport infrastructure, talk about communication. Sector by sector, as against the mobile. Say you have a Komenda sugar factory.
Yeah.
Who say one district, one factory. But institution be a minimum tema. Almost 22, 25 years ago, I'm you. And then we are branding say one district, one factory.
Oh, send your bank church them with that.
And you say yeah, church move. It's the medical catch us say. When they are good in talking, very smooth talking.
But say,
Omukachi say one district, one factory. 8 good years. 8 good years.
Yeah.
How many districts do we have?
Over 200.
In case over 200, be explicit. What you say? I don't think say your district 30 a benefit for some one district, one factory.
Also, a year over 100.
Oh, listen to what they said to us.
Okay.
Almost one district,
one
factory.
Okay.
You can say over 100 factories in a district.
Okay.
They were so explicit.
So every district be a Benyan factory.
I thought you told Savi, oh yes.
There's no single.
Not a single. Not a single. Not. Hokwe obi so plywood factory. And I'm rebranded here. Lebanese be minimum. This plywood factory. They rebranded it one district.
It's Hokwe will be.
Hokwe ni be. As far because see obi adi o mbebo kokoko se minya. I mean boy bibi kakrai. Na me brandy factory no.
They be accept the maker say who say abro de one is one factory in Sheneban.
Yeah.
Come here to assess it.
Emrebe no mukai.
A government.
No, emrebe no mukai.
Well, quite me say make prior to 2016 to election. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Omuchire mu say abane ankrankra na be come to abom. Na abane be support ankrankra.
Don't repolish it for them.
Okay.
Almost one district, one factory.
Yeah.
Yankase abine eba be SCC.
What can manifesto?
My kind be a Japan secret book.
What kind manifesto no say?
Almost one district, one factory will be established to create job.
Yeah.
Explicitly.
Yeah.
Yankan be a government partnership.
The book government partnership.
Be a page no. Na camera Mrs. here.
Okay.
Be a page na camera me.
Okay. So you see, so the MPP manifesto on one district, one factory.
So at the end of the day, no.
Okay.
Oba who say John Dramani Mahama within 4 years. 4 years. Okay. Who call road sector? Who call health? Who call education? You understand me?
Okay.
Who call transport, Maka? Who call agriculture? Who call communication? Who call trade? Who call housing? Within 4 years, all being equal. So when we poor, because governance is a process.
Okay.
What you say? Within 4 years, now over 8 years of a promiser, a failure, there is nothing to account for. The only Roman for a sorry at home.
Yeah.
Once a kind first, second, third reading. Yes, sir. The third reading, no, you're your responsible sound. Yes, sir. Fantastic. You can't be honest, you are responding after. Yes, sir. And you see, who be something, dear no Moody Ghana for the response is the free SHS.
No, and yeah.
No, you see, who can free SHS, sir? I agree to it. Okay. As a country. But the quality,
okay,
in our history as a nation, what you say?
Okay.
Yeah, Korama Muko school 3 weeks. Now, but not 1 month.
Okay, Tagbasi, Facha, I'm reading the NPP 2016 manifesto. Under trade and industry, chapter 2. Niamwa Hanomono page 30. XIII, flagship industrial development initiatives.
Yeah.
One district, one factory initiative. In collaboration with the private sector, the NPP will implement the one district, one factory initiative. The district industrialization program will ensure an even spiral spread of industries. So this is the 2016 manifesto of NPP.
Spread of what? Spread of what?
Factories.
Factories.
Yes.
That is the one district, one factory.
Yeah.
Implying that every district, yes, sir, in collaboration.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So a government that had 8 years, based on the Omaye Mponi,
okay,
and to me, I call every district. This is a government that promised you and I say one village, one dam. One village, one dam. Not even as we sit here, one village, one pond. Not even a pond, not even a fishing pond. What you say? Okay. But ubisa amount a co
okay.
Emphata. So, eja ye boy empire. Say nyame betie empire so ma tie so say come 2025 the next president of this republic of our beloved will be John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Aye biafo, obi a waye bi pen. Enye mpe apprentice bia. Baby o man na be do no. Look, Kwesi, when they took over from us, that dollar 3.8, yes sir.
Okay.
3.8. In the 8 years governance of His Excellency the late Professor Mills, His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, 8 years, you have to pay Chomu 9 times.
Okay.
Check the records.
Okay.
You have to pay Chomu 9 times. And then it's over 85 times uncountable. And still no, share price will be there.
Okay.
A gallon of petrol under John Dramani Mahama in 2016, now you're 14.2. Okay. A gallon, 14.2 Ghana cedis. And then such a price of a gallon is equivalent to a liter of petrol under the so-called very, very failure incompetent president Adom Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
If you give him 30 years, there's nothing they can do. Put him here focus.
Put
us here. So, Ghana for more than say, see, whatever God does, I'm a devoted Catholic.
Yeah.
Okay. Never ask God why, because you don't know who didn't change me. Akufo-Addo amba nanka. He could have been the best president.
Okay. So let me quote the Minister for Trade and Industry, KT Hammond, who says by close of 2024, Ghana will be having 250 factories out of the 261 districts. Or see, as we speak, there were 169 completed and operationalized 1D, 1F. Ghana. Mesa Basubi. 30 seconds.
No matter what, as at the close of 2024, yes. Ghana will have how many industry? 250. When you had 8 years, Master, yes, you might be more. Yes, you see, Ghana is a very peaceful country, but let us stop provoking.
But mention say.
Let us stop provoking. Ketiamo, in fact, I don't take him serious.
Okay.
No, I don't take that man serious.
But I say, Dr. Boko there.
Many happen you Boko.
Dankwa Institute to say.
Adom.
NPP muye. And that's so ma breaking the 8. And I say home.
Oh, say on Sameka say 2 million Ghana for.
Okay.
To Ghana for a share Juma a year NPP abaye and especially a year Nimudia a Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia a wonumu. Okay. So no na Ghana for share into 2024 elections maybe I make say mebunu no do na ebeto aba.
Okay.
And say answer to say the last time Americano we live in an age we hear you don't just need a leader, okay. But we hear a leader who is accustomed with the tenets of the age we find ourselves. So
okay.
Now so ushe ewiase na de bia me ka say ewiase me patch me fa enchia ede emusuye so ma me senior brother mabeto na anopai Mr. Agbesi patch me chia bebre so yeah me chia wonso to say na America no you drew age you don't just need a president but you need a leader who has vision going into what we call the 4th and 5th industrial revolution. Say we are na ba bedru stage bi a first no sene nanka yesusa na enim wi ase na entesa biem. Say abehwa even mo nsem trade dwuma ya mo ye mpo no. Wo hwe eye abrochira institutions and say media houses in the break crown say no omonye in studio presentation bi mo they say they enka wuti he e bi enka wuti feel but ya ma background bi a wo ye adwuma to say ne wa ba betena Adom studios no because of technology nti ye hia leader or technology ase they say ya hwa wo hwa fans a mesika wo wi ase pa fans a ehye ade a ye fan say technology abefu nimdie mu nti the world has moved from senior na ye nimu no to send there for example so be ma first no na nka obi kra so me ye importer na say me di dwa na nka ji say bi ofo aeroplane kwa abrochire ekokra enuoma no etuaka na oba Ghana na atwen say the container ebeba eso ene mre no obi betuaka so importer a businessman abrokra e bia plane kra wonfo bi da eso no otumi di dwa wo China otumi di dwa wo Turkey na sa enhyehyeye no na ye hia opanyin a ote sa technology age ya eno ne bebia se wiase ni nyina the global economy no movie edeko nti bi de mi say ofire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia when it comes to sa enwumi amabubosu ya say podcast because he's second to none ohwe oma omude omho asi ho say yento aba amomo 2024 aba to bekwema obie no ha obetumi de nsasi ne bo say eba technology and the digital economy sebi owohum nimde ana se empono wa kire se obetumi lead Ghana ono pe na obi a emi se yinima mi se youth omuche bibiri nyina afa na Mr. Digital ana meboa nti and the world like I said today is the digital economy na emi se before me rest studio no na metese na me bra panika petrol ehho asene se obama me kwa meka
na afra the one district one factory and leasing of Komenda sugar factory
yo me da say na o say send your kind no no cre na protocol ne obi be friend say deregulation of the petroleum sector na deregulation na atifa mu tie mi no deregulation ase kire nyina ne say first no nanka ankran a omo ne kra petrol de bagana no nanka omo ni ho kwan say omo ne kire ebo a yemfa nton no saa na etie nti wotwa from yewura Jerry John Rawlings when you baby call President John Ajekum Kofo to send your okan pepe the late John Evans Atamil Sabreso nyina no na there is nothing and I said the friend said deregulation na eni ho na the deregulation was introduced on June 16th 2015 under the NDC government and former President John Dramani Mahama eda ano eno oma hesenia na fango ho bo asem no tekwa no mo ditu mu sene ye implemented the friend say deregulation na se kire nyina ne se enka first no na nka ji se bia nka aban anase adwumaku aban sa hyase no ene betumi a kyese fango no e bia yemtum e bia sidi baako anamie no ba se se de ye jama ma mo kraba no se mo na mo nkire bo a mo pese mo ton no ndi se ene ye kɔ adwama so na se ye kɔtɔ the barrel of oil no e bia $80 based on the price near the aton on your bar near Suaba Chesenia, ye beton or ebia later. Ewo Ghana memory and only deregulation. Into the deregulation was actually implemented where the owner will be to me check. June 16, 2015. That was when the deregulation started, and that is the practice since I mean you team. Say, and no, so here. And me said this week or next week, and you most likely say petroleum prices about from between 2 to 4%. The extra one say omokwa a drama so me say last 2 weeks me checking na Brent crude was selling at around $85.07. In the nipa ne ko na say na bia ate aba from kakra bedre bia $78 and $79 and some cents na just automatically e was say ebo no so beto na yeden e ko from this year no deregulation into ema the OMCs and as oil marketing companies no e determine eboa also me den omoton petroleum prices NDC abana den de buy na baako bi so me kan so one district one factory ho asema na mo kan na Komenda sugar factory nyina nim say Komenda sugar factory say ye be kan okrepa na senye politics na ya ye bia no me say ye mpepere ho bia no in 2016 wo de wo yansam twa na wo de me say wa ben ye pa say wa be di adanse a I see chire friend say see chire free Komenda sugar factory patch we hu bida. Hu bida. Me hu bida. Ye nyina obi hu bida. So potaka say be kan say Komenda sugar factory no ye ko bia no simply because na ye pese ye di wini political votes and I say bia voter away bia Elmina ene Komenda ne ntemu no na ye de be wini na ade ba akokra Komenda sugar factory menua e ma ne ye asema a reho sempa ne se ohwe ebo a ye de si Komenda sugar factory initial cost no na $35 million America dollar no opepepe aduasa enum ene no think ye de si ewi akire no yes akọje an extra $24 million e de beka ho ma ohwe de ebo e di yes a factory a yentumi anya si kire kotoko ba kumpo a ade an condition na say $34 million no 35 no yiwe na akwakoduru almost $59 million a data no e wo ho a e kire na say ohwe eye the trade minister honorable KT Amond ne nsema oditudwa any assessment eye the trace minister no any omo nim de ewo factory bi to say Komenda say yensie no ma de omo be catch the say all kind some of the reports no omo ye no omo kiro say ene ya me notice to do high crime say yes ye put up a factory it is say Komenda pepepa yen se say bibia in terms of plant machinery new me de be simu ni say ya dynamite bibia sa pepepa ene mbra yete here eni kwa say e cost Ghana more than $18 million Eswunia ekowie no na you spend almost 59
no that amount because maybe you are checking the capacity at which the Komenda sugar factory was going to operate. You are checking the volumes of sugar na ebetimi aye ho adwuma as compared to the year in the year you say be less than $18 million thing.
The patrons it's where the economic say where the trade ministry's evaluation value for money evaluation and I mean na me te ha na make it's the experts who did that analysis unless say be America say obi so betumi atena se na why contrary analysis and as evaluation na odiaba but say me the evaluation I can we the ewo online na me ka ho asem yi say eye no ho asem na me ka de a na say Komenda sugar factory in fact so what can ma kasakra mo report e be say ma mo chema me ne honorable nyire wo copy ne kra e be say sa statement we kra no e fa ba bi no ya bo eso e wo ho internet say e ade aye say e no kra nye say bia Dr. Bano na betina ha no pe no no ankasa e bo ni tuma den akeka bibi enti say wo hwe ade a in real terms and them mpo na inflation exchange rate kra na ye be fa ne say big post covid inti akosro no let's say it was a cost $18 million na ye ko use America dollar no opepepe aduonu enkono $59 million in a DCD a that is ensem eyeden ewumu na ye serious so to say me kan ye esichire ye hu bi ebesi ne in fact ena me no tia me ka say post Komenda sugar factory na do danko akufu ado Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bae ya omaba be si eye ekunfi juice ena me no ti he me no me nyina te se efe kire se pe akunfi juice ye benya bi aka no mebo a in fact most of the foreign countries like US Euro market akunfi juice currently where the honorable chairman and co check it's currently on the US market akunfi juice is there but doctor but Komenda sugar factory
et Komenda no dia na challenge in tia NPP buy 7 years
no 8 years
8 months.
No, 8 years.
There be 7
no,
years.
It's 8 years. No, January to or August.
Yeah, August. And
half of the year is June. It's 8 years. You like it or not? It's 8 years. It's 8th year.
It's here then now. Ebe pay Sabre. Komenda sugar factory. Ain't me nyejuma. Because me scanning through stories sir. Yeah about Komenda sugar factory. Now, Ghana Today report, retooling Komenda Sugar Factory, 98% complete. Alan Chematin. Now, Ubadawa to Parliament of Ghana website. On 3rd June 2020, government finds strategic investor for Komenda Sugar Factory. And it's we are still talking about Komenda Sugar Factory. And running.
4 months to go.
Only I made say, to send me a question. And when I will answer it as an economist.
Okay.
Na minimum say potokasem say nyina ye ko school no ye the friend say basic economics na ade ba kwa ye kire ye ene say we mponya high profile economics but the basic economics ye nyina kakra then tell me be an friend economics but ye kire ye free be the factors of production e dia nyoma na yetumi de ye bibi nti te say na me twa mfonyi ne kire wo say akunfi factory no se ohwe akonfi area me before na ye see factory no kra na madam for bi papa e of pineapple farm so a no already no kra na omo do abrobe no e de ye den e ko abrochire in the raw form na omo fa value enka ho ti ade ba kwa me nim asochichire ni anasa as a student of a production they say upese u set up industry anasa factory ni edinke ehia ye wo mu pa eye de potokase me kan say raw material
ni odi be ye
atwuma no na ye mi say ho say at the time na ye see Komenda sugar factory no onse Komenda sugar factory nya ade ye si no foforo na e wo ho to attention ye si 1964 aha ene ye adwuma na duru be bi egu ye ene mi say aban akojo ye say e wo say yetumi ye den e revive no na wo hwet so wo kan abakosama mre na sa Komenda sugar factory ye si 1964 no ye si in Komenda because said them time no na eba eye ahwede a ye de ye eye asichira o sa hwede onumu agudo bibru ye wo de ye de ye asichire na ankasa then time na ahwede a ye de ye asichire na ankasa no na Komenda empatemu anasa Komenda ene ne empatemu ho no na eye ade a na omudua dodo na aye den e wo ho nti eno ye ade ba ka omo hwe ho edikosi sa factory wo ho in 1964. Now fast forward to a year 2014, 2015, 2016 now. A year abandoned that which we can say obe retool a Komenda sugar factory no. As man e was a nanka sa ban no ebisa no hone say. Ahwede na ye dua no sample tem ho enunti no e ma abaya etwem akọ Mr. Kwame Nkrumah by 1964 me boa because he was overthrown in 1966. Yeah. Ekosi factory wo hoyi. Komenda fo ne impotemu no sa adwuma no omo da ho ya na e ma mi twanfo nyi bi se me ankasa mi kurom oboase first na nka obbo oboase a ne yese den ankawo ha eso ena me no ti ya ye kase ko oboase no kwese obehu akutuo no bi mu wo ha akutuo eni oboase bi
guarantee
so enti sa wo kase because first no anatete no na oboase is known for ankawo enti se mi kosi factory oboase na wan sha akwasi obedi udokono kwa
wo tete data
no ekwaye adwuma ne ya me no kase wo akwasi factory na si eye me krom oboase enso na akutuo enye den eni ho
okay ti se ne wo ka no menyiwa no si boni a can it mean say as of the time na ye revitalize ye say see Komenda sugar factory ne biem no ana ye hye wikina no na ahwede na betimi afili factory no na eni was net 1964
ne ni ho
so in the first ne hu kra ohia se ka ye bekoso asi ta factory no
men kasa ne hu hia se ye bekoso asi sa factory no na men kasa me kasa na man kan ye but the make can say na e wo say yetumi de enhyehyeye gu akom say raw materials na e be feed factory no is ready and available it is say emfie miensa ena wasenke de sa hyehyeye ni gu akwan mu na sa raw material na available a ye hu say after the raw material is in processor are ready say e betumi aba na afei akwanya aba beto say ye de eho akwanya ye den egu fom tina me twa ekonfi de ne kira wo say before ye see ekonfi no wo bedi nya ahwede pineapple abrobe no ebu akonfi ho
it is a report a Komenda sugar factory committee no eye no almost too much say the raw material they be here to feed the factory no and na ka say ebi wo ho ana
ene de me nya sure say bi wo ho because me wa akra ye semtro ne me say wa betumi asesa won call for na ma comment into so be kai a tama NDC abai no revitalize the Komenda sugar factory no there were videos then tama ma akra na share ye with social media somewhere in 2016 2015 2016 there about na omo kate ahwede every day bi ede aba eye factory na o say ade ba santa wo hu no bi ana esre keke o say o share the tons of sugar factory no ehia awrane na enye sa ahwede ne ehu se bi na pick up truck bi ahwede egumu no enu na factory no ehia they say wo kwa confuse ene ya na ko hu the tons of abrobe in a day machines na ewo no ehia ede ayo production na unu ya wo yembe so se wo hu
ene ye pese e call ye Komenda sugar factory as an economist. Will you advise government because of the unavailability of raw materials? Say, yenyi factory in free baby wonana.
Dabi, I won't say that.
You better find material away.
In fact, the best form of advice is to find a private person. What's the canon to can and that is exactly what the government is doing now. private person or sika because we also one of the things honorable Betty Madance here in a bibi memoir and say and probably say a casa aban enko commercial farming and as a commercial production man. I am not the friend say inefficiencies so
yeah.
Inti Emma aban the boka inti idea about the person who to me and nothing I say see any we ask me air corner. I be do the friend say public private partnership. Send ye beya sa the protocol say friend say inefficiencies and new man can ye pese yenya and so at the end of the day this ka ko sheme yenya no ebe to afi ho no nti na ankran abem they say obi tia no ya ankran adwuma private adwuma onim say 8 o'clock so wan kwa ne boss be yin adi but o ya ban adwuma no so wan kwa 8 o'clock oh na say ya ban adwuma and no inefficiency as
the private sector no ba na India for no o me fa raw materials no way
nti ena me ka say so mo de e lease na ban de mo between 15 to 20 years nti e bi o no be nya abotre sesi ya no aka say e bi emfie mienu ana emfie me ma ankran me sika e wura the production of abia sugarcane but for now to the date the factory was established and honorable to he bail me out we na ka say see we idea e kan eye Ghana for abrabo nti ana ka me pese ye be no politics impo say ye kan okra such schemes were not there say enka wo ho a anase nka NDC aban no po eye ya kwesi enka minute kenenke be ho ahwede ne say enyini anane
ye ba ye dua ahwede under Akufo-Addo enka enso ma ye mfa mfidi fa
yo eye no kre enka aso ameye de afi but the point ne say sika na ye de kosa commercial production as me making no ye kofa wo he ye for the same taxpayers money no enkonko shemu na say ye wie na say ahwede no so to say awesome intina make up podcast say aban koma de for say inefficiency no e wo soro
but ye wa ban nyuma bi a omo declare profit
yes kwezi ye beba state owned enterprises e wo Ghana has here in fact what can some of my articles on natural one of the things Amaka in terms of expenditure rationalization say state owned enterprises should be weaned off public payroll makasa asemi say
one no they shouldn't have any subvention from government
why should they have some for example where a media house to me example so offer me to say GBC okay now offer me to say a multimedia Adentina Multimedia is a private firm. Adentina Multimedia etumi operate without any subvention from government. But based on advertisement, and I say advert munya every ankran ho. Na mutumi tua badwuma foka. Na mu wie kra mutumi nya emfaso mani pana adwuma ne dia no no sutumi nya emfaso mu. Na the GTV, the state owned enterprises, say GTV no. Say aban sika anko ho a na afi running of the institution crab abentia these are some of the bottlenecks that make us say okay say aban enkoye bibia the friend say protocol inefficiency no e was so and I know say one of the reasons why in tia aban government expenditure it's an offer to say the 2024 budget statement. Honorable Mami na education e dey ma amount for mama no be so offer the 2024 budget statement akozi de bia kasa abai sika wodie so na offer 2024 budget ade ye number 1 di abai sika dodo the friend say payment of emolument the public sector wage so offer 2024 budget no the number 1 item cost abai over 66 billion. It is also a buying fan unko Roma. What it automatically means is here. And if you buy Juma or Hono, automatically so buy a buy payroll.
We said a young Komoka share about quarters in I remember say May 2011, the late Professor University Satam Cracker and say, as of that time, now I buy this car on you 70% the tria eka. So a young Komo say bedino. In
fact, first I didn't mean the interest of Hong Kong. And no budget 2024 budget 52.7%.
Crazy. Maybe if you come and share chef for. Okay. That must some money at time. Madame for Bakubi or ADB. A friend of George Ni Audrey. Very nice gentleman. And a very good friend of the former President John Dramani Mahama, Michiano. Okay. Doc, and I disagree with you totally on most of them. Kwesi, let me see. The visionary leader, and who said, this country, no, we have to actually minimize our importations.
Okay.
Among them, sugar production.
Okay.
So he realized, say, Nkrumah ye bibi pen. Eye adwuma Nkrumah. Yes, sir. Into onusus no oba be ye dia yajatu ho.
Okay.
So I agree. He is saying that there is a publication, I say $18 million to me setting up current way. No. Listen, in 2014, I spent almost 6 months in Brazil. That was towards the World Cup.
Okay.
So I took opportunity actually to exploit because I deal in commodity.
Yeah.
Mostly sugar, from oil to sugar. You understand me? So I understand this perfectly. The other time, Tina and Kofobi say, oh, we spent $1.something billion importing sugar. It's not true. We should stop this joke. Not every figure that they throw out there that we consume it.
It's not
see,
true.
Look, sugar is currently sugar. New boy the based on world crisis. It should not exceed $600 per ton.
Okay.
Say Ghana, you check for Shippers Council. When was the last time a vessel of ship, a dock or Temahabo with sugar?
From Brazil.
The minimum ship is 25,000 metric tons. That's the minimum in shipment. Besides, say, when was the last time? So if you multiply, even if I say 25,000 metric tons, you multiply 600 by 25,000 tons, that will give you about $6 million. About $50 million or so. Okay? About $50 million. Let's assume, and that $50 million, no, the maximum package of that vessel, no, with additions.
$80 million.
With additions, no, about roughly 300,000 bags. Okay? So let's assume quarterly, you have 4 vessels.
Okay.
You multiply it by that, over 1.2 million bags. Into New York counts $1.2 billion of importation. It's not true. Into $18 million. No,
80 million.
80 million.
But
cost of importation is yes.
Okay, so we are going to some boys never win. Well, we remember, we are 12 and you make 6. There will be another draw. Yeah, so be to be a very good morning for Fama Protozua. NPP parliamentary candidate here was soon. Money at my power, we had a man for soon. Even Kranya Mayer, the member of parliament, no. I think a man for soon.
Protoza.
No, Onumapa, yeah. So a very good one. So then happy birthday. So I'm confirm. Kwakuchu. Nyankopon Shira, Kwakuchu of Equisise fame. Nyame Shira na onyo kese kwaku. Onshira pa happy baby. Agwesi.
Hey, and I chum birthday.
Yes.
No not you.
That's who am kasa mu ba hache.
Okay, monsieur. Minya. Na ye kan Komenda Sugar Factory.
Yes.
Doc Ekasa about Ekumfino. Yeah. In production, no, we look at the gestation period of the plants.
Okay.
Ufa pineapple, it doesn't exceed 90 days. Ufa sugar, the minimum is what? 270 days. So it was appropriate, say, a basic factory, at production in terms of cultivation. Look, in 2016, Minimunia captain, no, we went there. Yeko, what you say?
Yeah.
Nipa na osi factory no. Abide the man no. We so there must be test running to hand over.
Okay.
Into SCA. There was a test running. Everything was perfect, and he handed over. What did they make? Can I say?
Okay.
So structure no was fit for purpose. Unfortunately, the visionary leader lost that election. Okay. And this government came in. Who be a question? From 2017, you see, the 35 million was to set up the industry. And it is never true, say, nobody for $18 million, which is such infrastructure. No? It's not true. Look, I can tell you an authority, and I quote the former Chief Justice, this is another sweet darling deal.
Hey.
Yes. Look, they came to meet the $24 million. The $24 million was operational, including cultivation, outgrowers. Meaning, say, yes, plant a Jumapa home. Ebeka Volta region.
Okay.
Ebeka Greater Accra region.
Okay.
Ebeka Central. Ebeka Western. Because we are talking about outgrowers. When Kede HO, a friend, environment, a friend Pega.
Okay.
Ghana Palm Oil Development Company. Yes, see structure before the outgrowers started farming. Though the factory had its own, but not on a large scale.
Okay.
What I say? So I say my monkey can say, oh, the factory was this and this. No, it was totally completed. Okay. It was due to political victimization and Akufo-Addo. Say, Akufo-Addo 4 times on 4 occasions on this sugar plant issue, no, was disappointing the good people of Central Region. The chiefs came to Flagstaff House. What promise you any ne? You see, I don't take them serious. They are smooth talkers. I can't formers. And the multi-billion question maybe somebody will say, why do you hand over such a significant plant to an Indian who have no experience? The Indians don't produce sugar. I am into sugar. Understand what sugar means? Go to Brazil. Go to Mexico. Who command Indian a sugar plant to manage? Come on, why do we insult ourselves often like this? Can't we enter Ghana for? I just say we don't have Ghanaians who have managed such a plant.
When you be?
There are people. But you see, we will not get people today because of political victimization. Okay. The investment environment and the Akufo-Addo gone. It's not the best. Where you have a whole attorney general planning to jail somebody, cooking to jail somebody, a whole attorney general. So you think an investor will come down and invest his money?
But still, investors for Ghana.
And I mean, but I just said it.
Yeah.
Due to political victimization. No, the Indians are write them off. I'm talking about Ghanaians. No, you don't understand my point. Okay. And you know, see, let us not always be saying, no. The structure was completed. Okay. We left that money for operational. Okay. Okay. Alan was the minister. And for will take you over. Where is the money? Yeah.
It is a sugar about 270
minimum.
Yes, minimum. Yeah. Now, I say a brebe na movie factory now.
No, sorry, not meant this.
Okay. Now, I say brebe na movie factory now. Mubejia ashidi no. A brebe na mo share no say you betcha ashidi no e dey feed the factory.
No, so let's assume on 2016. Yeah. It was tested and everything was okay.
Okay. 2016.
Yes.
Month be.
Oh, I think Mary female no actually, but okay. It was 2016 that thing took place. Say captain alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it would take 270 days minimum. Okay. To cultivate or to harvest. I mean, things could have been put in place. We will say there was a experimental farm, Akusi. Okay. Among others. What I say? Look at Japan. Do you understand me? Because such a plant needs vast outgrowers to fit into it. I have no idea about the tonnage. I forgot.
In fact, the tonnage is 1,255 tons a day.
A day.
Okay.
You see? No, exactly. 1,255 tons a day.
A day, yes.
And the minimum shipment in terms of vessel, 12,500. Okay. So let's say, assume 1 month, first shipment, and major consumers, Ghana for okay, neighboring countries. Oh, sugar near the bag Ghana, but consuming sugar. I'm telling you. You understand me? So this could have created enough employment. Enough. Na koku say no asase. Okay. Na me see my cultivated sugar because of the availability of the factory. Because the structure tells
sugar cane.
Yes. So okay. At the end of the day, no, over better. Yes, sir. Over better. Assuming without admitting, say, any government never manage it. You're from a private investor. Okay?
Okay.
That is fine. You pay me at the end of the year.
Yeah.
You understand me? Into farmers mun cultivate mpono. When you do my year, who's supposed to be born your own year?
It's a person name say.
In
2016.
Yeah.
Before Siebeko about was Abano. Not in the estimation of NDC administration. Not a possible say Komenda sugar factory, bet me a juma. I'm your friend a full-fledged factory. Becca say your factory had more a produce sugar.
Before the 2016 election, that factory you see we
test run.
Test run completed.
That deal. Test run. Near war enough raw materials one more.
You see, that is why I've said that.
Yeah.
Looking at the gestation period of the plant.
Yeah.
Okay, you see factory. No two ways about it.
Okay.
Okay. I can't say na management. Any outgrowers, bet nasi. I come out with policy in terms of pricing, say. Who did the say? And unfortunately, the visionary leader lost that election.
Okay.
Until Nanka, will be say 2017, I think they enjoy.
Okay, doctor.
No, it's not right. Oh, no, it's be fair. Be fair to me. Be fair. You said you call breaker. That's
where we are.
India for a man.
Okay.
Me can synopsis Saudi money.
Yeah.
India for a man. Minister say is thinking, and I pray that thinking will not be implemented because who the idea come India for and fata. I'll be a proud Ghanaian that day that a Ghanaian will take over that factory. Look, you can give that factory to the good people of a central region.
Monsa mama no
you can give that factory to the good people of central region. Central for look for a good investor. No, I'm just saying so.
But
Central for
when you actually mom say
no me. You see, it's not about the investor.
Okay.
I am saying say that dealer Katie per se it's another ship a friend says that ship dray business or I'm coming, I know come on, that's how Katie want to do. This is another sweet deal. Sweet a friend say sweetheart deal. I'm telling you. Omu share that for 8 good years. Omu good factory. Sweetheart deal.
I was thinking
see, it's not the Indian who's going to manage that thing. They are fronting for the NPP guys. They are fronting for the NPP guys.
Doctor.
Look, we will agree. The good people of Central Region must stand up and tell the government of the day that they are ready to manage that particular factory on their own.
Say make us say offer the basic economics and say any good manager. Oh, to me, can say me kosi factory we and say na makako.
No.
And your man, you be feeding a factory. And nothing I can say offer the critical factors of production. I did in kind pa no. Yes, ubenya asase a obe establish a plant.
Okay.
We are the tosumi no the raw material odi be feeding. The tosumi nsa entrepreneurship. Enipa omo nim die adwuma ku because it was a capital. It's not a factor of production. No. So who's your economy see pa? Capital is not a factor of production.
But the least.
It's the least until I miss it because capital so between come besia.
Yeah.
Only who idea na the good paper so. They are not been NDC for year. So enti de na hia pa na nyomi amabobosi. But sa nyomi amabobosi nyina no ebie no wa it was properly planned.
Oh, who told you that?
So
who told you?
Honorable. The NDC have a document to show say from 2016 to ABR 2017. Let's even see with that product. This is the plan that we have to operationalize the Komenda sugar factory.
Plan.
I have not seen it.
That is why it was tested and handed over to government.
No, that is not a plan.
That is the plan.
No, but that can't be a plan.
No, it is a plan.
It's an operational plan.
Yes.
That tells us, within the next 2 years, in terms of farming to feed the factory.
Yes.
This is the plan I have.
But there is something like that.
I have not seen it.
You have not seen it. I don't miss any video.
You can share with me.
You go to KTMO. You are done quite institute. Go to KTMO when you have document. Because it was a period of time I see the diversity factory.
Okay. Start documenting anyhow.
It's possible someone can see it.
Wait, journalist. You will be the arbiter here.
Of course.
When document this.
No, can say the first say
there was a plan. There was a plan. There was a plan.
Plan. They said plan will be out.
No, that was a policy.
So, but to operationalize it,
yes, that is why when we lost the election, we couldn't operationalize it.
Okay, but that's
me who's plan.
Okay,
You see, me tell them me no. At the end of the day, me the here and me adama koma sopa me say the good people of Komenda any central region in important me Ghana fo nyina no. Obiya benya adwuma ayeden. Aye. Eno ni ade here say o fa akuya.
You starve them.
Omo beye adwuma aye.
You starve them.
Enti enam sa adie yi sunti no.
And no way
the processor omo aban no
after starving them.
E chance say or they go through to look for investors na enye ene.
Okay.
And that side started and me say started a former trade minister oko and abesi oyura KT Mahmoud so na who said to send me kan no investment adebako a so oba abibi memu ha ema before in particular menu mi no yen tamfi yesika enwura enuoma bi mu to say production the risk the risk factor into say osha podcast and can say we see the economic literature bet sure say before no ye the friend say risk averse.
Okay.
You slow say empre bibi no ye di esika kwese bibi na ye trimontin ye pefe say ade de medishima next week menya say and I the every so anything as wo hwe oba Africa ne Ghana ha including even financial institutions asem ya ye Kenya say ankran po. And banks private banks ebetumi aka bom no maka say ye pese you take it over the Komenda sugar factory and run.
Okay, Dr. Fachem Wahanum with a $35 million against the $80 million now. You see a name ye betumi $80 million SC Komenda sugar factory. At the time you sue $35 million for Komenda sugar factory, our CD was running at 4.2.
Yeah.
And now it's giving you 147 million Ghana cedis. And you see the 147 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And you can see the $18 million ABC Komenda sugar factory. Ebe cost Ghana 270 million Ghana cedis.
Nanka yensia. Nanka neno ye 370
against 147.
Do you get it now?
Do you see the vision of a leader?
There's something we call the time value of money.
No, Jack Cassano. It doesn't imply here.
The time value of money simply means the value of one Ghana cedi in 2016 is not the value of one Ghana cedi today. Into 2016, it is very possible. Say one Ghana cedi is maybe between Yoko Gary, any a year Koko, I'm away diamond. But any one Ghana cedi, 8 Ghana cedi. So that is the time value of
money.